Here's an important question from a viewer and a few thoughts to answer this question that I wrote down and I would like to share with you. So here's the question. Should I consult an attorney before or after I make a complaint about discrimination or harassment or retaliation at my workplace? My answer is unequivocal. You should definitely consult an attorney before and not after you make such a complaint. Your attorney should help you evaluate the whole picture, the whole situation, and not just the legalities of whether you have the right to complain. You always have the right to complain. The question is whether it's the right thing to do under the circumstances, whether it's the right time to do it, and whether it's the right way to do it. The attorney should help you answer the following questions. Should you complain? And is it in your best legal, practical, professional, and financial interest? Every employee has their unique practical and financial circumstances. Making a complaint when you are financially independent or you're financially secure enough not to care about the risk of being retaliated or terminated for making that complaint is very different from making a complaint when you're living a paycheck to paycheck and where being retaliated by your employer and being fired can have very serious consequences to your day-to-day life, to your ability to provide for yourself and for your family. Are there any other steps you can take before making that complaint? What are the risks and benefits of complaining? How likely is your complaint to lead to some kind of positive outcome, to remedy the situation that you're complaining versus making things worse? And do you care if things are getting worse? Some people care very much. They love their job. They want to stay there as long as possible. They're just trying to fix one specific problem with one specific person they have. Other people don't care at all if they're fired and they cannot wait to get out of that place. So these people are in very different places and they should receive a very different advice. How should you communicate your complaint and to whom? Should your complaint go to your HR, to your manager, to the higher ups, to the board of directors? Should your complaint be oral or in writing? Should it be anonymous or should it include your name in it? Should you complain now or as soon as possible, or should you wait and complain after some other event takes place? The answers to these questions are important to help you make the best decision under your circumstances. No two situations are the same, and individual evaluation is important to make not only the best theoretical decision for your situation, but to also make the best practical decision under the circumstances, which is usually as important or more important than just looking at the law in a vacuum.